Power's out. Again. You know what I did in the first 5 minutes? Nothing. Because I already knew exactly what to do.
I've been through more blackouts than I can count. Some lasted hours, some lasted weeks. A few lasted long enough that people start forgetting what the lights used to look like.
Most people fail in the first hour, not because they don't have supplies, because they don't have a protocol.
Assess. First thing you do when the power goes out, don't touch your phone. I know. You already did. That's fine. Put it down.
Your phone is now a finite resource. Every notification you read, every survival time draining away. Turn on airplane mode. Keep Wi-Fi on to check for local outages. Screen brightness all the way down.
Now, is this your neighborhood or is this bigger?
Look outside.
Check your neighbors. Regional
Outage. If yours is the only dark house, check your breaker first, genius.
Next question, how long? You won't know. Nobody will. So you prepare for 72 hours minimum. Everything before that is a bonus.
Hour 2. You secure your resources. Food in the fridge 4 hours before it starts degrading. Don't open it. Every time you open that door, you're spending time you don't have yet.
You should have this already.
Headlamp first, keeps your hands free.
Candles last, open flame, sleeping children, wooden houses. Do the math. Water. This is where most people get it wrong.
Municipal water usually stays pressurized for hours, sometimes days after a grid failure. Fill your bathtubs now.
Fill every container you have. Don't wait until the tap runs dry to realize you should have done this in hour 1.
By hour 4, your environment is changing. In winter, you are losing heat. In summer, you are gaining it. In winter, layer up, seal rooms, body heat is your best friend. One room, everyone in it, that closed. That room stays warm far longer than the whole house.
In summer, wet towel on the back of the neck. Cross ventilation, windows on opposite sides of the house. Avoid exertion. Hydrate. You are not dying. You are uncomfortable. There is a difference.
Most people in grid failures don't die from the failure. They die from the decisions they make in the first 12 hours. Panic, generators indoors, carbon monoxide, unnecessary trips. Stay calm, stay methodical. That's the protocol.
Here's the truth about most outages. They end in under 24 hours. Utilities work fast. Crews are already moving. But you don't know that yet. So you operate like it's 72.
Why 72 hours? That is the threshold where casual inconvenience becomes genuine survival situation. After 72 hours, you may be gone. Supply chains start stuttering. People start making bad decisions.
If you've run your protocol correctly, you're comfortable, resourced, and calm while everyone else is figuring out why they didn't do this sooner.
I've been doing this a long time. I've watched panics that didn't need to happen. I've watched people freeze because they had no plan. A plan takes 10 minutes to make. A plan, a protocol, takes 1 video to learn. You just learned it. The grid down protocol, in full. Assess in hour 1, secure your resources in hour 2, manage your environment by hour 4. Think in 72-hour blocks.
Next time, something most people think won't happen here. Economic collapse, currency failure, bank phrases. It has happened before, more times than you would believe. And it will happen again.
Until next time.